want to prepare some vegetable salad for my family. This is what I've been craving for actually, but I'm making it for everybody. So over here I have some cucumbers, 2 of those. I have some cherry tomatoes, 2 avocados, and the lettuce. I believe this one is called the lettuce because it's very soft. And I like to add some nuts, which is peanuts basically. I love the taste when I add it to my vegetable salad. Over here I have some sweet corn. I just poured it out from the tin or the can. I poured it inside a sieve and run some water over it because I don't like the taste of it when it comes out from the can. So I like to rinse it a bit with some water. That's why I poured everything in the sieve over there. And I have 2 boiled eggs, and these 2 eggs is not going to be enough for me, to be honest. So I'm going to be boiling more eggs, maybe like 4 more. So I'm going to place the eggs on fire while I go ahead and cut all this. Before you peel your avocado, make sure you wash the back thoroughly. For instance, this one I washed it with my dish liquid soap, and I also rinsed it very well with a clean water running from the tap. So the reason you should wash it is exactly what you are seeing now. If you don't wash it and you're touching the back like the skin, you're going to somehow introduce the dirt from the skin inside the main avocado. And also make sure your hands are super clean before you do this type of thing. I know there are other ways of peeling it which may be more easier, but you know, this one is peeling quite easily, so why not? I decided to go this way. So guys, here is my own portion. Oh, this looks so deliciously delicious. Honestly, this looks so good. And what I did is, anybody that wants to eat will just put his or her own portion in a plate, just like I did with my own, and then add some of the mayonnaise. I don't want to mix everything in this bowl so that it doesn't go sour. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks so good. I can't wait to dive in. You can try this salad recipe. I know you are going to love it. And besides, you can't go wrong with vegetables, right? Anyhow you combine it, it will still give you those nutrients, right? So you can go ahead and try it, and you can come back and let me know if you loved it, if you liked it, or if you don't. But I believe you're going to enjoy it, okay? Let me go and sit down and enjoy mine. Look at that.